So in 2017, I bought my first van to begin living nomadically. I learned a lot during the years living out of it, including what I would do in the future on my next van. And well, the future has arrived. After weeks of researching, I came across one. However, it happened to be 1,500 miles away. Just got off the phone with the dealer. Things are looking good. He gave me a full walk around of the van. It is a 2020 Ram ProMaster 2500, 159 wheelbase. It's exactly the one I want. So I asked a ton of questions, basically about the warranty, the tires, vehicle history, those basic questions, but also about the paperwork, making sure it's okay that since I'm coming from out of town, that's all gonna work out. They said they would have held it for me even without a deposit, but I'm like, just to secure it, I'm fine putting a couple $100 down just to ensure that there's a van waiting for me when I get there. But nothing's finalized. I can still test drive it. So pumped to get back into van life. I've missed it. Hi there. Present day Travis here, editing the video for you. And I want to clarify, in case you were wondering why I am in the Jeep in some of these shots. If you've seen my last video, you know that my Jeep sold. Some of these clips were overlapped with me selling the Jeep in the last video. So just wanted to specify some of these clips, like I said, are from that same time period. So hope that clarifies things. I'll try to timestamp everything. Back to the video. We are back on the road heading out for a really short, pretty much day trip, overnight trip to my hometown. I gotta go to the bank tomorrow and a short, quick shoot with a client. So I'm going to the bank to finalize my financing, my loan documents, to help buy the van with. Whew. Okay guys, it is a done deal. I have most of this saved up. My credit's at a point, thankfully, where I'm able to, get a really good rate and just have some kind of peace of mind cushion with this big of purchase, and paying cash and everything. I just don't want to leave myself broke in the middle of this pandemic right now. That's the last thing I want to do. I have saved up a lot of money, but I think this was a really wise decision to do, given my circumstance and how my credit is, and how my personal bank here in Grand Island is just so great to work with. They understand exactly what I'm doing, how I'm traveling all the way across the country to buy this van. This is by far the biggest purchase I've ever made, second to the last van I bought. For me, it's like buying a house. And so basically it's like I have my entire house payment sitting in this car right now, and it's nerve-wracking and it's exciting. But you gotta take some risks, and you gotta get uncomfortable when you just know like what you want and what you really want to do, and why you want it, and why it's important to you. You just get there. You just do what you gotta do, no matter what that takes, no matter what it means. And that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at right now. I'm doing what I gotta do for me, and that right now looks like buying this van from New Hampshire. Not gonna be. Oh, this might actually be good. Whoa! That might not work at all. We're about to find out. Here we go. Ready? Let's go. Oh God, you're gonna hit. I got a call from the dealership last Friday after having waited about 2 or 3 weeks, I think, probably closer to 3 weeks for this van to be done. I put a deposit down, $200, so they didn't sell it. Apparently they sell these things like McDonald's dollar menu items. I don't know. So, it's done, it's waiting, it's ready, and I'm gonna go check it out, test drive it. I'm not committed yet. I mean, yes, I am flying to go see it, but nothing's set in stone until I've seen it and driven it myself, and that's what I'm gonna do. Got some exciting times ahead of us. I'm heading back to Grand Island, my hometown, where I will drop Sam off at my dad's to stay. My mom's gonna take me to Omaha, where I will hop on a flight to Manchester, New Hampshire to go look at the van. Alright guys, so I am back in Omaha. No Sam, he is staying with my dad right now, and I fly out 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. So right now I'm just going through and packing my one bag for tomorrow. I'm tired. I'm very tired. Things are catching up to me, so I'm gonna try to get a good night's sleep tonight. Fingers crossed I can actually get to bed early. It doesn't usually happen. I will be setting my alarm for 3 a.m. So, this is what 3:30 in the morning looks like. Putting the final things in my bag. I've decided to take an extra bag for clothes and toiletries. Just this little, you know, just so this bag isn't completely stuffed. A less people-y area here in Chicago Airport. My flight boards in about 10-15 minutes, but I already found my gate. I always go there first and then I wander so I know where to go. I have consolidated my bags into one tall bag, which is what I really like about this wandered bag, because you can really just fill this top part. So there is my one bag with my clothes bag inside this one. Excitement and anticipation for going and seeing my van is growing constantly. It's kind of just surreal.